Hi, and welcome to the Product Design Show. I'm Allison Topperwine.
And I'm Vince Penman. In this week's show, form follows function as we look at an industrial design that turned beautiful.
We recently spoke to Dean Johnson, Development Engineer at Plan Stainless in Leeds, UK. Plan designs a broad range of stainless products for commercial use, including a line of highly efficient urinals.
Take a look at this urinal called the Vienna. It's designed for an institutional environment with a very functional appearance. The inside is a trough tapered to one side so that water flows to the drain. The drain is a dome-graded waste flow that stops debris from entering the plumbing.
The bottom of the unit has a removable front panel for easy maintenance access. It looks tidy with all the plumbing tucked away.
The top of the unit has a sparge box that contains a pipe running the width of the urinal. The pipe has holes in it that dispense the rinse water that then drains through the domed grate. The flow of the water over the stainless back of the unit actually looks kind of waterfallish when the urinal is flushed.
It turns out that commercial designers are turning to stainless steel as an attractive finish for many high-end venues like nightclubs and theaters. To meet the needs of these interior designers and architects, the team at Plan thought outside the boxy lines of those strictly functional Vienna urinal.
Designers at Plan noticed that when the unit was in a flushing cycle, the waterfall looked attractive. They began experimenting with ways to make the unit more appealing. First, they decided to give it more height, to make the dimensions more aesthetic, and to increase the height of the waterfall.
Unfortunately, the stainless sheets they were using weren't large enough to make the entire back from a single sheet. Dean told us that there was some design serendipity involved when they welded a joint at the back about a quarter of the way from the top to extend the height of the urinal. Rather than just welding an ugly joint, they rounded it into a rib. Now when the water flows over the joint, it makes a great looking waterfall. The end result is the Biarritz, a high-end, high-functional urinal that lends a touch of design flair to high-traffic and high-style commercial washrooms.
The design engineering team at Plan now finds that a large amount of their work comes from architects looking for a unique stainless piece to provide a functionally attractive look to their high-end venues.
Dean chose the Creo family of design software because they needed a package that delivers superior sheet metal modeling. Creo lets the Plan team design in 3D and then unfold the models into a two-dimensional cutting pattern that can be applied to the sheets of stainless. If you want to try the same software that Plan uses, download the free-for-lifetime version of Creo Direct Modeling Tools yourself. Just go to ptc.com/go/modelingexpress.
Well, that's it for this week's show. You can see all the episodes of the Product Design Show at engineering.com/productdesignshow. And if you like the show, please give us a like on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, or give us a rating on iTunes.